Hello everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Finance. On this video, we will create one simple expert advisor. This expert advisor will open position based on RSI indicator, and we will learn all how we can send order, how we can get the data of RSI on this video. Even if you never coded before, don't worry, we will learn step by step all on this video. Now let's move on my computer and start coding. So this is Metatrader5 terminal, and let's open this toolbox. So this is where I manually buy and sell position, but we will create strategy. It will trade itself, so based on our predefined condition. On this video, insert indicator and relative strength index. So this indicator we will use. And so there are thousands of ways to use this RSI indicator. Some trader use when it just crosses down on specific level like 70. It opens sell position when it goes under 30. So let's see in 5-minute chart like here. It opens buy position when it crosses above. Some traders does opposite. So when it crosses above 70, they open buy position. There is thousands of ways. But on this video, we will focus on how we can create any strategy. So when we define the condition, when we get the data of this indicator, and when we learn how we can send order, we can simply change strategy. Instead of 30, we can send order in 40 and 50, or we can also backtest this. So to be able to learn, so which parameters would be the best, so to be able to get in trades. So when we create this strategy and system finds out itself, so which parameters was the best, then it will give us some idea to which parameters to use. So this is RSI indicator. Now I will move on the coding section. As you see this IDE button, so when I click here, this meta editor window has opened. Now I need to create new expert advisor, expert template, and next the name will be RSI and version 1. And I will not mark any of this. So now my template file is ready. So first of all, to be able to send order, I need to include trade library. So my library is now defined. So let's learn easily how we can send simple order. So when I call this library and say buy, so I need to define parameters. One lot, the current symbol that expert is working. When I put null, so which means this. So when I opening buy position, I need ask price. To be able to get the ask price, symbol info double, and I get ask price. Now system is asking me stop loss and take profit. I will not use stop loss and take profit, and I will not put any comment on order. So and I end up with semicolon. Now my file is ready. As you see, just one single line of code. So we will be able to send order with automatic way. So I move on the view navigator. The name of expert advisor was RSI version 1. When I draw and drop on chart, I need to let algo trading on. As you see, system opened buy position. So now we easily learn how we can send order. So now it's time to get the data of RSI indicator. To be able to get the data of any indicator, I need to create array RSI, and I need to put square brackets and end up with semicolon. I go down this onTick function. First of all, this array, I need to arrange this array as array set a series. Now I arranged the series. Now it's time to get the data of RSI. So and again in global area input RSI parameters. This is where I will get these parameters. So I delete this order by, and RSI parameters equals ERSI. So this is the indicator function that I can get. I need to define the parameters in null, the current expert advisor, and current period. The default period of RSI is 14. I put 14, and the price close is the default value. So as you see, this RSI indicator, and 14 and default value is the closest. So this is the default value, but in case of that you want to use in different period, so you can easily change over here. So and then now with copy buffer, the parameters that I defined from up, RSI parameters, and RSI is only one output, so I can put 0, 0, and 5. And all this definition, I will put this array inside of this array. Now my code is ready. Let's try to find. So did we get the correct level of RSI? Comment array RSI. So square brackets, and I put 1. 1 means the closed bar data. So let's find out. As you see left up, it shows us 29.51 and just goes this way. So now I will check the level of RSI. For this I can bring data window. So let's stop on this bar. As you see in left, RSI 14 is 29.51. So we get the correct data. Just the problem, ours has more digits. So we can easily clean this digit, normalize double, and 2. With this, we cleaned this unneeded details. So as you see, we checked, so we can get the correct data from RSI. So now let's do our code. So I want to define is RSI indicator goes when one chart before was down. So I want to get this cross. So let's type if position total. If we do not have any open position, so otherwise, so the system will just keep opening position until that just finish of our deposit. So this line is very important. So we need to put limit. Otherwise, every new price came and system will try to open new position and new position until it use all balance. So with this way, it will only open one position. And if array RSI, so I put 2. 2 means 2 candle before. If the system was 2 candle before smaller than 30, and if array RSI square brackets and bigger than 30, if these conditions, when these conditions becomes true, so then I will open buy position. Lot size, let's put this lot size from outside. Let's outsource lot size null, and we need ask price, symbol info double, ask price, stop loss, take profit, and let's put as comment and RSI order and end up with semicolon. So when I compile, as you see, we have undeclared identifier. The lot size we didn't define. So in left up in global area as input double lot size equals 1. So after I compile, as you see, now we have zero problem at all. So when I want to define again this RSI version 1 drag and drop, as you see, now we have a section of input. With input section, I can change the lot size, 0.5 lot. So when I run, so let's close this position. So as you see, when I close position, the system open position. So let's check, is there really close to 30? Let's check. This is 1. This level is, as you see, the RSI level is 36, so that's correct, and one chart before and 29.51. so this, as you see, our parameters, our condition has become true on this 2 level, and that's why system open one lot by position. So let's do the same for sell position. for all. I copy paste all. I will make this bigger than 70 and smaller than 70. So instead of buy, this will be sell, and lot size is same, and only when I'm opening sell position I need bid price, and I put as bid price. Now system is ready to open sell position as well. So we put the definition is not correct, so it should be bigger than and smaller than. I close. Let's check in Japanese yen as well. I'm trying to find, so when the RSI level is close to 70, so but because of the market, okay, let's change. Instead of 70, if we put 66, the system will open position. I compiled. So this time the system should open position here when the new price came. So let's check the time. As you see, when the new price came, the system opened sell position, because instead of 70 we did 66 to be able to see sell position is opening the correct level. So that's all for today. We covered, so we learned how we can get the data of RSI. So we can change this indicator instead of RSI. So I can use the millions of different indicator to be able to get in the trade and get out the trade. So we use the simplest way of using RSI. You can change the code and you can arrange based on your strategy and based on your wish. Before I close the video, I would like to introduce you Pepperstone, who supports our videos and content. Pepperstone is the global forex broker that you can trade more than 1,700 products. And not only Metatrader4 and Metatrader5, you can also use TradingView and CTrade to be able to trade. To be able to get more information about Pepperstone, please go my video link and you can go to the website of Pepperstone. So please don't forget, going through the website through my link will also support the channel and our content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.